Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our 2022 McAllen Bulldog Winter Assembly. Thank you so much for being here today. And we're going to start off with your 7-time state champion, McAllen Mariachi Oro. They're going to be playing one you've all heard, Feliz Navidad, with its captivating melody and heartfelt lyrics known around the world, a song that has stood the test of time. It's one of the top 5 most listened to and downloaded holiday songs, bridging the gap between cultures and delivering a festive bilingual message of joy through song during Christmas time and throughout the entire new year. And this rendition was arranged as a sing-along, so if you know the words, feel free to sing along with us as we celebrate the season. Feliz Navidad.
Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad.
And now our mariachi would like to perform the feel-good classic written by Johnny Marks called Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree. This was made popular by the legendary Brenda Lee. Features 2 of our talented Mariachi Oro ladies, Leah Garcia and Abby Morales. And also, the features Angel Trujillo and Mikey Trevino on trumpet solos, as well as the entire trumpet section in a special feature. Enjoy.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas
know and love Santa Claus, but sometimes he doesn't get enough credit. I mean, this guy goes all over the world delivering presents to boys and girls in a single night. That's a lot of travel miles. And he's delivering all these world's presents. And so this next selection is kind of a tribute to the amazing job that Santa performs. great job by our wind ensemble. I don't know if you knew, but the entire band consists of about 160 students, and they're often seen as the Battle and Bulldog Marching Band at football games, but the band spends most of their time split up into three medium-sized ensembles: the concert band, the symphonic band, and then the wind ensemble, which you just saw. There's also the dance-oriented color guard, which also operates independently of the marching band. These groups will perform throughout the year and are most visible in the spring semester. The jazz band and salsa steel bands are also active year-round, entertaining throughout the community as musical ambassadors for Mac High. Now, great bands are made up of great players, and our students have worked on competitive individual audition material throughout the summer and fall for the all-state process. So I want to recognize for a moment the following band students for their selection to all-region band or advancement to the pre-area and area rounds of the audition. That's quite a few number of names here, so we'll hold our applause to the end. First off, we have Leanne Arroyo on flute, Lawrence Lee on clarinet, Karen Valdez on clarinet, Cassie Flores on clarinet, Joshua Pardo on oboe, Amelia DeGroot on oboe, Jay Rodriguez, alto sax, Tristan Campos Smith, tenor sax, Sebastian Radcliffe, baritone sax, Angel Trujillo, trumpet, Miguel Trevino on trumpet, Alex Garza Johnson, trumpet for both band and jazz band, Enrique Castillo on horn, Diego Garza on horn, Derek Potter on horn, Alfredo Resendez on the euphonium, and Sebastian Salinas on the tuba, and also on the bass guitar for the jazz band. How about a hand for those students? Way to go. And by the way, two of those, Joshua Pardo and Miguel Trevino, placed high enough to qualify for advancement to the final round of the All-State Band auditions in January. So we wish those two gentlemen the best of luck. All right, the Mac High Symphony Orchestra will now perform an oldie but a goodie, White Christmas. Beautiful string arrangement of the popular tune made famous by the singer and actor, Mr. Bing Crosby. And we're wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And coming up next will be our Mac High Choral under the direction of Mr. Shira. A couple of quick notes about our orchestra. This year, Mac High orchestras were comprised of 3 string orchestras and 2 full orchestras, the most in all of South Texas. The groups have consistently won more sweepstakes awards than any other orchestra program in the Rio Grande Valley. We're looking forward to a concert season coming up this year with continued success. How about a hand for that? The most in the valley in sweepstakes awards. And some of their students recognized in Region Orchestra include Andrew Trevino, Christopher Ham, Sergio Mendez, Max Davila, and Damian Mendez. Max Davila also recorded for the All-State Orchestra on viola and advanced to the final round of competition. Students from all of the orchestras are preparing now for UIL solo and ensemble in January. How about a hand for those students? And now, the Mac High Choral will open their set with the timeless tune, Carol of the Bells. Carol of the Bells is popular among Christmas revelers in the United States, but it has its roots in old Ukrainian folk songs. Building on this, Ukrainian composer and music teacher Mykola Leontovich wrote the choral version in 1916. The English lyrics were written by American composer Peter Wilkowski, and this truly makes it a Christmas song for the entire Western world. After Carol of the Bells, the choral will sing a song called Fruitcake, written by Haiguman Leka. Fruitcake is a fun novelty song that has been a favorite of choirs around the world for about 50 years. It's kind of wacky, as the ingredients for fruitcake are added one by one, creating a musical recipe for all of us to enjoy. It's a sound holiday treat. Here we are, the Mac High Choral Festival.
One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, feeling near. Oh,
shift over now toward our finale. But before we do that, we want to congratulate 6 students who made pre-area choir. They are Catherine Bynum, Emma Garza, Miranda Arguelles, Evie Shira, Trip Shira, and Kendall Warwas. How about a hand for those kids? And McAllen Choir tied for the most first chairs in the entire region, which represents more than 25 high school choir programs. Evie Shira received first chair on alto 2, and Catherine Bynum was first chair on soprano 1. And our 6 pre-area choir students will be auditioning at the final round of the Texas All-State Choir on January 7th. So best of luck there. Thank you. All right, we'll now end this concert with the combined forces of the McAllen Wind Ensemble, the Symphonic Orchestra, and choral in a performance of Holiday Favorites, a Christmas medley for band, orchestra, and chorus. This well-known arrangement features many of the most loved traditional Christmas songs, including Let It Snow, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Jingle Bell Rock, Silver Bells, and Frosty the Snowman. We hope you enjoy, and we wish you a Merry Bulldog Christmas.
Weather outside is frightful.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about one more hand for all of our students here today? Thank you so much for being here. The lights will be coming up in a moment and we'll be dismissing you. But thank you again for coming and have a wonderful holiday season. Thank you.